A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything. Let's go to the new topic, oxidation and reduction. Let's start our class with an experiment. Take about 1 gram of copper powder in a china dish and heat it. As we heat the copper powder in the china dish, we can see that color it changes to black color. So we know what is the color of copper. It is reddish brown color. So that reddish brown color powder changes to black color. What is the chemistry behind this, or what is the reason for this? The reason is very simple. Copper on heating at high temperature, it combines with oxygen and copper oxide is formed. The color of the copper oxide is black, so that powder has been changed to black color. So let us see the balanced equation. 2Cu plus O2 gives 2CuO. Observe it. In this reaction, we can see that oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed. So if hydrogen gas is passed through this black colored powder, that means black colored copper oxide powder, what happened? We can see that black color changes to reddish brown color. What is the reason why it became reddish brown color? Can you guess? It became reddish brown color because copper oxide has been changed to copper. If there is copper oxide, it would be black color. But if it became reddish brown color, we can sure that copper is formed there. So represent this reaction with the help of an equation like this. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Observe this equation too. Here we can see that copper oxide loses oxygen and it became copper. So see what happened to hydrogen. In the case of hydrogen, hydrogen got oxygen. Hydrogen gained oxygen and it became H2O. See that in a reaction, one reactant gains oxygen and another reactant loses oxygen. So, in a reaction, if a substance gains oxygen, it is said to be oxidized. And in a reaction, if a substance loses oxygen, it is said to be reduced. In another way, we can say, in terms of hydrogen, we can say that in a reaction, if hydrogen is added, it is known as reduction reaction, and if hydrogen is removed, it is known as oxidation. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. In the same way, what is reduction? Reduction is the addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Let us see the balanced equation. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. In this reaction, copper is reduced, means it loses oxygen. And what about hydrogen? Here, hydrogen gained oxygen and it formed H2O. So we can say that hydrogen is oxidized. So in a reaction, if it takes place oxidation and reduction, then we can call this type of reaction as redox reactions. In a reaction, one reactant gets reduced and other reactant gets oxidized. Such a reaction is known as redox reactions or oxidation reduction reactions. The weight redox has been formed from two weights, that is reduction and oxidation. It is formed by taking first three letters of reduction and first two letters of oxygen, redox reactions. So let us see some more examples for that? Zinc oxide plus carbon. It forms zinc and carbon monoxide. See the reaction once again. Zinc oxide plus carbon gives zinc plus carbon monoxide. So from this it is clear zinc got reduced. Zinc reduced. Why zinc reduced? Because oxygen is removed from zinc. And what about carbon? Carbon is oxidized. Carbon became carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is formed and we can say that carbon is oxidized. Hope it is clear. Here is one more example we can see. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. In this reaction, MnO2, what happened to MnO2 or manganese oxide? It got reduced. It became MnCl2. That means manganese is reduced. That means manganese lost oxygen. So we can say that it became manganese chloride. Manganese chloride. And next one we can see that for HCl, what happened to this hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid, it got oxidized because oxygen is added. HCl became H2O. So we can say that it got oxidized. Or in another way we can say that HCl, what is the last product? Chlorine. So from HCl, if hydrogen is removed, we will get chlorine. In that way also we can say that HCl is oxidized. HCl is oxidized in two ways we can say that. One, by removing hydrogen or by adding oxygen. Hope this topic is clear. Oxidation, reduction and